Part 2 of upgrading that builder grade bathroom. Behind is an image I want to use to talk to you about the function of your bathroom, not the design. In fact, I think this vanity design with the fluted drawer fronts will be out in 3 to 5 years, so I wouldn't really recommend you doing that. But I think you need to think about how many sinks you want in your bathroom, do you need a vanity area to get ready, and how much storage you want in your vanity. This image is really great to talk to you about your tub shower combo. If you have room for both, it's always great to have a separate tub with shower. The only thing I wouldn't quite recommend is it looks like there's a large opening here, which I know has been trendy for a while into the shower, but that tends to let out a lot of heat. And while I don't recommend a steam shower to everybody, especially if you don't wash your hair every day, it could get frizzy in the shower. I do think that having a door or something on your shower really adds to the function of it, because otherwise you're going to get cold. Here's another good example while we're on the topic of function. See how the shower head is over there and where you turn on the shower is over here? That's so important. How many times have you reached in when the knob to turn the shower head on is under the shower head and you get all wet turning it on? So always make sure you're thinking about those things when designing your bathroom.